Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. I have a 200 days straight 5 to 3 a.m. morning push-up streak, and one of the best way on how you can literally be consistent at doing something is literally to just change your alarm tone into something that can motivate you. This is July 6, 2025, and this is going to be day 363 of consistently helping people build consistency. So one of the biggest problem why people cannot be consistent at doing something is simply because they don't know when are they going to be doing that particular thing. Okay, we always say inside of our head, oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing this thing after school, I'm gonna be doing this thing after dinner. But in reality, we always procrastinate, we always throw the responsibility to do something into the future version of ourselves. So how do we solve this, right? Basically, just set on an alarm as a clear sign, a clear indicator when to do something. Exercising 5 a.m., studying 6 a.m. This way, we are going to be having a clear idea when to be doing something. But the thing here is that we do not want to just have the boring beep, 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 beep alarm tone. We want to change the alarm tone into something that can motivate us every single time we hear the alarm tone. So I'm talking about changing the alarm tone into some motivational music or motivational song, some motivational speech, one of our favorite motivational speech. This way, even on the days when we are not feeling motivated, which I think we can all pretty much agree we are not going to be feeling motivated 100% of the time, right? Even on those days, big chances we will still show up. Why? Because every single time we listen to the alarm tone, we are going to be reminded of our reasons why we do these things. We are going to be having this emotional reminder that, hey, you know what? Yeah, I need to exercise because, yeah, I want to fulfill my dreams. Or, yeah, I need to study because I want to be the best at my field. And even on the days when you have listened to the alarm tone, you hear the alarm tone, and you still don't feel like you wanted to do the thing yet, the probability of you doing the thing is still going to be higher. Why? Because at least you are going to be reminded, right, that, oh, you know what? My past version of myself, he purposefully changed the alarm tone with the expectation to motivate the future version of himself or herself, which is currently me right now. You know what? I do not want to disappoint the past version of myself. He got so much expectation for me. I'm still going to show up anyway, even though if it's just 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I'm still going to not let him or her down. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, join our Discord, and for today's date, our authenticity post, today's July 6, 2025, and today's memes are posted we are going to start a planned post last 24 hours, GMT +7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.